Buildings, streets, cities have a profound impact on the way people lead their lives. The School of Architecture and Planning allows our students to explore the world through design. Our students go out wanting to make it more beautiful, more humane, where neighbors from all walks of life can thrive. The faith and the values are critical to the program because it teaches our students humility, compassion, and the desire to serve the common good. It's easy to lose your way as an architect and to forget that as individuals, we're actually working for the community. At Catholic University, students come to change the world for the better. And in the School of Architecture, we not only inspire them to have the vision, but to have the concrete skills to make that reality.